Hello students, I am Aarti Goyal, your EVS teacher, and today we are going to discuss about times of emergency. So let's begin. Nature is gentle and beautiful, but forces of nature at times can be destructive, means vinashkari. A natural disaster is a natural event that causes immense destruction, मीन्स बहुत ज़्यादा बहुत अधिक मात्रा में विनाश होना. देयर मे बी लॉस ऑफ लाइफ एंड प्रॉपर्टी, ऑफन लिविंग पीपल इंजर्ड एंड होमलेस. मतलब ये लोगों को क्या करती है, इंजर्ड कर देती है, बुरी तरह से घायल, और कभी कभी तो बेघर भी कर देते हैं. नेचुरल डिजास्टर्स, फ्लड्स, अर्थक्वेक्स, साइक्लोन्स, वॉल्केनिक इरेक्शंस and droughts are some natural disasters that we shall read about in this chapter. So let's begin. Earthquakes. Have you ever experienced an earthquake in your life? When an earthquake occurs, the ground trembles and shakes. What causes an earthquake? The earth's crust is like a covering of the earth. It is made up of many huge pieces called plates. The plates float over the thick liquid layer inside the earth. Sometimes the plates slide past each other, causing the part of the earth to shake. Effects of an earthquake. Cracks develop in the walls of buildings. These cracks may lead to the collapsing of buildings. Electric wire get snapped, breaking of dams, roads may crack, pipelines may burst. Prevents measures. As soon as you feel the tremors, move out of the house to an open area. If you are not able to move out, take refuge under a table to avoid getting hurt. If you are outside during an earthquake, move away from buildings, trees and power lines. Do not use a lift. Earthquake-prone areas should have wooden houses. Volcanoes. A volcano is a rupture on the crust of the earth, which allows hot lava, volcanic ash and gases to escape. Hot lava bursts out to the surface through a vertical funnel called vent. Types of volcanoes. According to the level of activity, volcanoes can be of three types: active, dormant and extinct. Active volcanoes. Active volcanoes are those which erupt quite often. Dormant volcanoes are those that have not erupted for a long time but may erupt anytime. Extinct volcanoes are those that are dead and inactive. Next is floods. Some parts of India receive very heavy rainfall during the monsoon. Heavy rains cause rivers to swell up and overflow into the neighboring areas, causing floods. Effects of floods. Strong cyclonic winds cause destruction on land by damaging buildings and houses, uprooting trees and other structures. Fields get immersed in water and the crops are destroyed. Electric lines, communication networks and water supply gets affected. Belongings of people get washed away. Cyclones. In coastal areas, heavy rain in accompanied means किसी के साथ, है ना, with very strong winds. मतलब कोस्टल एरिया में कभी कभी इतनी भारी बारिश होती है तेज हवाओं के साथ. दिस इज कॉल्ड साइक्लोन. इसी को हम साइक्लोन कहते हैं. Cyclones originate in the seas and move to the land. They bring a lot of sea water with them and flood the coastal areas. They uproot and destroy everything that comes along their way. Preventive measures. Dams should be built across the rivers to check the flow of water into the lands. Trees should be planted in large numbers as they slow down the flow of water. A good drainage can prevent waterlogging, thereby controlling flooding to some extent. Do not drink water or eat food items exposed to flood waters. Shut off the gas cylinder. Wear gloves and boots to avoid skin contact with flood water. Droughts. Droughts happen when there are no rains for a long time, several months or even years. Without rains, rivers and natural water bodies dry up and groundwater level goes down as it is not replenished. Effects of drought. Due to lack of water for irrigation, crops get destroyed, resulting in a severe shortage of grains, vegetables and fruits. There is widespread starvation, मतलब भुखमरी फैल जाती है चारों तरफ बहुत ज़्यादा. Soil erosion increases because the crops die and the land becomes barren. धरती बंजर हो जाती है. Preventive measures. Planting of trees reduces the chances of drought. यदि हम ज़्यादा पेड़ लगाते हैं तो ड्रॉट के चांसेस थोड़े से कम हो जाते हैं. Rain water harvesting can be done to store water. All vegetation, including food crops, can be dried and stored. Managing a natural disaster. You have to try and do the following if you are affected directly by a natural disaster. Remain calm and positive. Help people if possible. Seek help from any available source. Approach rescue and relief workers as soon as you can. Rescue and relief. Relief and rescue operations are carried by the government and international organizations like the UN means United Nations and the USAID means United States Agency for International Development and also by several NGOs. Community help. The community as a whole also provides relief by contributing money, medicines, food and clothing. Timely relief and support of the community not only saves many lives but also helps rebuild the lives of those affected. Thank you, my dear students.